Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 essay 1 model paper 2025-26 subject maths class 9th question paper with the answer discussed. This question paper download to Telegram, link on description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to channel. Let's start the paper. Class 9th subject maths, max marks 80, time duration 3 hour. Read the question paper carefully, answer all the questions. Section A contains multiple choice questions. Section D has internal choice question. Section A note, answer all the question. Each question carries 1 marks. 20 cross 1 equal to 20 marks. Question number 1. Find the value of 32 power 1 by 5. Option 1, 2, 4, 8. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer of first question 2. 2 is the correct answer of the question number first. Question number 2. If p of x equal to x की power of 3 minus 1, then the value of p minus 1. Put out x equal to minus 1 and minus 1 की power of 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. This is calculate and answer minus 2 is the correct answer. Question number 2. Question number 3. Supplementary angle of 80 degree. Supplementary angle of 80 degree. How to calculate on supplementary angle? Less of 180 degree. 180 degree minus 80 degree. Answer become 100 degree is the correct answer of question number 3. Question number 4. The sum of the abscissa and the ordinate of the point of intersection coordinate axis is 0, 1, 2, undefined. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer option A, 0 is the correct answer. Question number 5. The value of 2024 power of 2 minus 2023 power of 2 divided by 2024 plus 2023. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer of the question number 5. Answer become using the identities a plus b, a minus b, this is equal to a square minus b square. First option is the correct answer of the question number 5. Question number 5 is the correct answer is 1. Option C is the correct answer. Correct answer option C. 1 is the correct answer of the question number 5. C option. Question number 6. The number of the solution linear equation 0.2x plus 100 equal to 0 has exactly one unique solution. Which is the correct answer? Correct answer option B is a right answer of the question 6. Question number 7. Which of the following is not correct? Not correct statement is option C is the correct answer of the question number 7. Question number 8. Assertion and reason. If AB equal to PQ, if AB equal to PQ and PQ equal to XY, then AB equal to XY according to the Euclid first osism, things which are equal to the same things are also equal to one another. Which one is the right answer of the question number 8? Question number 8. Both assertion and reason are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 9. Question number 9. Express x plus 1 equal to 2y in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Which one is the correct answer? Correct answer, x minus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Question number 10. Question number 10. The word geometry comes from Greek word geo and metrion. Here geo means measurement, earth, sky, water. Which one is the right answer? Right answer, option B, earth. Question number 11. Match the following to their quadrant. Option B is the correct answer. One is a D, second is a C, third one is a and fourth one is a B is the correct answer. Question number 12. The horizontal line in the Cartesian plane is called y-axis, origin, x-axis, quadrant. Answer is x-axis. Correct answer, option C. The horizontal line in the Cartesian plane is the x-axis. Question number 13. The value of square root 5 plus square root 3 minus square root 5 minus square root 3 and solve the question. What is the answer? Answer is option D. Option D is the correct answer. 2 square root 5 plus 2 square root 3. Question number 14. Ordinate of the point 0, minus 3 is which quadrant? Which ordinate of the point? Ordinate. Y coordinate is a minus 3. Ordinate value is minus 3. Option B is the correct answer of the 14th question. Question number 15. The value of polynomial p of x equal to 2x minus 9. Put out the value of minus 2. So p minus 2, this is equal to 2 multiply minus 2 minus 9 minus 4 minus 9. This is equal to minus 13. Minus 13 is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer of 15th question. Question number 16. The distance of the point. The distance of the point to 8 from the x-axis. Right answer of the question number 16th, 8 unit. Option B is the correct answer. Using the distance formula and solve the distance value. Next question number 17. If 2 comma y is the solution of linear equation 2x plus 5y equal to 19, then y equal to how much? Question number 17. Substitute of the value and answer the substitution. After substitution, answer the value is option number B. 3 is the correct answer of the 17th question. Question number 18. According to the Euclid osism, if AB equal to CD, then AB plus 2 equal to CD plus 2. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 18. Which of the following is true? Which one is the right answer? Which statement is the true? True is option A. Root 3 into root 27 is the rational number. Question number 20. Rina is expend 150 on 2 kg of carrot X and 3 kgs of beetroot Y. The linear equation show out. Option C is the right answer. 2x plus 3y equal to 150. This is the first 20 question belonging to the multiple choice question. Each question carries 1 marks. And the section D, answer all the question. Each question carries 2 marks. Question number 21. Find the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x plus 5 and py equal to 3y. Question number 22. Find the sum and the product of the coefficient of x and y in y minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Question number 23. Find the two rational number between 3 and 4. Question number 24. Classify the following number as rational or irrational. under root 225 1.10 100 10001 we classify rational or irrational. Section C, each question carries 4 marks. Multiply 6 root 2 with 2 root 3 and divide it root by square root 2. Question number 26. Evaluate the product 102 multiply 98 without actual multiplication. Question number 27. Find the value of k if x equal to 1, y equal to 0 is a solution of equation 3x minus 8y equal to k. Observe the adjacent figure and answer the question. Coordinate of point A. First question, the abscissa of point B. What is the name of the triangle ABC? The distance between A and B. Question number 29. In the below figure, line XY and MN intersect at O. Angle POY equal to 90 degree and A ratio B equal to 2:3. Find C. Section D, internal choice. In it, rationalize the denominator 1 upon 7 plus 3 square root 2 and the internal question simplify 3 plus square root 3, 2 plus square root 2 and second one root 3 plus root 7 whole square. And the 31st question, if x y z equal to 0, so x cube y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz and find the value of x cube y cube z cube divided by xyz. Factorize 12x square minus 7x plus 1. And the next question, find 4 different solution of the equation for 10x minus y equal to 2 and the internal question, check which of the following are solution x minus 2y equal to 4. Question number 33. In the adjacent figure, AB parallel to the CD, angle APQ equal to 50 degree, angle PRD equal to 127 degree. Find x and y. And the internal question, represent square root 4.2 on the number line. This is a very important question for the exam paper. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you so much.